Zorro, a stormy night.
Reina de Los Angeles is a Spanish village in Southern California. In the village, there is a military presidio with Spanish soldiers and their horses. There is also a Spanish church called the Mission. The Spanish friars live here. All around the village there are big homes with patios. Tonight, there is a terrible storm and it is raining. Inside the village tavern there are soldiers and other men. They are eating and drinking. Sergeant Gonzales is at the tavern. He is a big, strong man.
What a horrible night! It always rains in February. Where is Zorro on this stormy night?
Asks one soldier.
Zorro? Don't say that name. He is a bandit and a criminal,
Says Sergeant Gonzales.
He is the terror of Southern California,
Says another soldier.
People say that he takes from the rich and gives to the poor. He is a friend of the natives, and the friars he punishes dishonest people,
Says an old man.
Ha! Zorro is a big mystery. Who is he? Where is he from? He wears a black mask and no one can see his face. He travels on the Camino Real on his fast horse. He is very good with his sword, says the surgeon. Yes, and leaves his mark, the Z, everywhere, says the old man. No one can stop him. The governor of California offers a big reward for the capture of Zorro, says one soldier.
At that moment, a man enters the tavern. He is young and handsome. He has black hair and dark eyes. He has fine clothes.
Don Diego Vega, my friend,
Sighs Sergeant Gonzales.
your clothes are wet. Why are you out on this rainy night?
Don Diego smiles and sighs.
I am going home, but I am cold and wet. I want something to drink. Come and stand near the fire,
Sighs the surgeon.
Here is a glass of wine. Thank you, my friend.
My friends, I made this video for the assessment of the English practice exam in high school. And this practical test was ordered by Mr. Rudy Irwansyah. And dadah!